Want to use the 3D printers at the Richmond Hill Public Library? Hi, my name's Charlie, and in this tutorial, we'll learn how to use Prusa Slicer.
By the end of this video, you'll know how to import a model, adjust it, and export a file ready for printing. First, let's go over what a slicer is. A slicer is a program that takes a 3D model and converts it into instructions a 3D printer can understand. You can think of it like a translator. It turns your 3D model into a G-code file, which tells the printer exactly how to build your object, layer by layer. To get started, you'll need a 3D model file. 3D model file types suitable for printing include .stl and .obj. You can download free models from websites such as Thingiverse and Printables. Now that you have your 3D model file, you're ready to slice your model. We'll use Prusa Slicer to do this. When you arrive for your 3D printer appointment at RHPL, you'll be provided with an iMac workstation with Prusa Slicer installed to prepare your file for printing. If you prefer to work on your design at home before your appointment, Prusa Slicer is also available as a free download at www.prusa3d.com. On the desktop, look for the Prusa Slicer icon in the dock at the bottom of the screen. Click the icon to open the program. To import your model, click the Add button. Select your STL or OBJ file. Then click Open. Your model will appear on the build plate. To orbit around your model, click and drag with the left mouse button. To pan, hold the right mouse button and drag. To zoom in and out, use the scroll wheel on your mouse. These controls will help you inspect your model from all angles. You can adjust your model using the tools on the left-hand side. The Move tool lets you reposition your model on the X, Y, or Z axis of the build plate. The Scale tool allows you to resize your model. Scale the object either uniformly by clicking one of the corner boxes or non-uniformly by clicking the X, Y, or Z axis handles. Use the Undo button to reverse any changes you may have made. The Rotate tool changes its orientation. Click and drag on the arrows to rotate the object around the X, Y, or Z axis. Lastly, if your model is upside down, you can use Place on Face to flip it onto a flat surface. Multiple white planes will appear on the model. Clicking on any of the white planes will align that plane with the print bed. Printing from larger and flatter surfaces will help your model stick better to the print bed. After adjusting your model, you'll need to slice it to preview how it will print. Click Slice Now to load the preview window. Your 3D model may have overhangs. These are portions of a model that extend outward, partially in midair without direct support underneath. Prusa Slicer will highlight overhangs in blue and may display a print stability issue warning. Printers can usually print overhangs up to 45 degrees, but steeper angles require supports to prevent sagging. To address these overhangs, you'll have to add supports to print your object successfully. Open the Supports dropdown on the right-hand panel and select Everywhere. Then slice the model again. Every time you make a change to the print settings, you have to slice your model again to refresh the preview. These supports help hold up parts of the model during printing and can be removed afterwards. After addressing any overhangs or stability issues, check the estimated print time. Make sure your print can be completed within your scheduled booking. Print jobs which exceed your scheduled booking time may have to be canceled to accommodate other Creative Studio users, or if the library is approaching closing. If your print is going to take too long, you can adjust the print quality to speed it up. Use the Print Settings dropdown in the top right corner to select a lower quality setting. Lower quality prints faster, while higher quality gives more detail but takes longer. After changing your settings, click Transfer, and then Slice Now to refresh the preview. If your project is still taking too long, you can also scale your model down. Smaller models take less time to print. Be sure to recheck your print time after making any changes. Before exporting, review your model one last time. Make sure there are no warnings, supports look correct, and the print time fits your appointment. Once you're happy with your print preview, click Export G-code to save your file to an SD card. This is the file your 3D printer reads. The 3D printers at RHPL use SD cards, which are available to borrow during your booking at the service desk on the 3rd floor. This concludes our tutorial on how to set up a 3D model for printing using Prusa Slicer. For more help with Prusa Slicer, visit Prusa Slicer's support page. For next steps on how to use the 3D printers, please sign up for one of our hardware training sessions, where you will learn how to use the physical printers.